standing. The home team, Manchester United, are currently at position 7. They've collected 32 points. Their form, it is a defeat, a win, and 3 draws from their previous 5 matches. Recent result is a 2-1 loss to Brighton in the FA Cup. Then the visiting team, which is Manchester City, are currently at position 2 with 43 points. Of their recent form of the last 5 matches, it is a 2 wins, 2 draws, and 1 defeat. The last match is a 2-0 win over Newcastle United in the Carabao Cup. United's season is in tatters, according to local media in the UK, with their lowest game count in a century after early exits from both domestic cups. City is also vulnerable, having dropped points recently to Sunderland and Brighton